Welcome student. This is Rahul Singh Moore, assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. We have studied about engineering rotameters, and today's topic is about hot wire anemometer. What is hot wire anemometer? The hot wire anemometer is a device used for measuring the velocity and direction of the fluid. As the name suggests, anemometer. So anemometer are those devices which are used to calculate the velocity of the fluid, and here hot wire means we are using a hot filament which helps to calculate the velocity of the fluid. So in hot wire anemometer, this can be done by measuring the heat loss of the wire which is placed in the fluid stream, and the wire is heated by electrical current. In video we can see this is the hot wire known as filament. So the filament is put inside that pipe in which the fluid is flowing, and we have to calculate the velocity of that fluid. So with the help of this filament we can measure the velocity of the fluid. Working principle of hot wire anemometer: it uses a very fine wire. Here we can see this is the fine wire hot filament. It may be of tungsten and platinum, either of combination of this material we can use, and electrically heated up to some temperature above the ambient or surrounding temperature. With the help of power source we heat these filament as air is flowing over the filament, and with the help of heat loss from the filament we can calculate the velocity of the fluid. For example, if we are sitting in a room and suddenly we switch on the fan, as soon as the speed of the fan increases, the velocity of air blowing on us increases and we feel cooler. So in opposite direction, if we think that if we are feeling cold than surrounding atmosphere, so we can conclude that the velocity of air blowing on us is high, therefore we are feeling cold than our surrounding temperature. So on the same concept, the hot wire anemometer is working. The electrical resistance of most, we know that the electrical resistance of most metal is dependent upon the temperature of the metal. So using above the concept, we can obtain a new relationship between temperature and flow of the fluid. In next slide we will see how anemometer is work. Construction of hot wire anemometer: there are basic two main fundamental component of the hot wire anemometer. Is one is conducting wire, which is also known as filament, and another is Wheatstone bridge. With the help of Wheatstone bridge you can calculate or simulate the fluid velocity. So these are the two main component of the hot wire anemometer. Basically anemometer work in two method. One is constant current method and another is constant temperature method. In these two type we can use. First is constant current method. In constant current method we supply constant current to the filament. As we know that we are supplying constant current, so the temperature generated, the heat loss generated on the filament is constant, but as the fluid flow increases, the heat loss also increases. So, and we know that for most of the metals the resistance of the metal is dependent on the temperature. So as the heat loss is increases, the temperature of the filament decreases, so there is also change in the resistance of the filament. With the help of Wheatstone bridge we can calculate the resistance of the filament, and by using some relationship we can calculate the fluid velocity. So in constant current we supply the constant current, and by measuring the temperature we can calculate the fluid flow velocity. In constant temperature method, we keep the temperature of the filament constant by providing the different power. We know that as the fluid flow increases, the heat loss also increases. So to maintain the constant temperature, we need to give more power to the filament. So by calculating the power which are given to the filament, we can evaluate the fluid flow velocity. So these are the two methods which are used in hot wire anemometer. Thank you.